Yeah, back with another video today. We have 3 packages to unopen. We have another white shirt because I kind of lost mine, so yep. And then we have a jacket, right? And then we have another pocket watch that I got. And these 3 items right now, and I'm gonna be getting a tux vest. So these 3 items that I'm getting, I'm getting them kind of based off the show of Peaky Blinders. I kind of got into that show about a week ago, so, and I'm already starting to buy their clothes. So, I mean, let's just go. Let's open the white shirt first, I guess. I kind of suck at this. Hold up, give me a second. I kind of suck at this, so hold on. There we go. There's one side. There's another side. Yep. Now, I really hope that this fits me, because it doesn't look like that will fit me, but hey. Oh, it's right here. Oops. Okay. Uh-oh. Bang, let's go. Get this out of here! Now, I have to unbutton all of these right now, so. Yep. Give me a second. Yep. Nice. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Just go ahead and do that. Oh, buddy. I have to button it up again. My camera kind of sucks. It's a little bit messy in my room, so. Oh, I'm buttoning the wrong one. Do. Probably gonna get copyrighted for that now, but come on. There we are. Let's go ahead and tuck it in now. And bang! I mean, like, oh. Then we got the top on. Then hold up, wait. I'm not gonna put on the pants. It'll take too long, but we got the tie right now. Right, yeah. Okay, now we gotta get the jacket right now. Oh yeah. I gotta button this up. Oh yeah. It is a bit too big on me, considering that the sleeves are like an inch out, but like, yo, I look good, man. Can't wait to be pulling up to school like this. Now I gotta take all this off. Oh, nope. Wrong sleeve. There we go. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back now. Next, we're going to open up the pocket watch now. Where's my knife? Right here. Slit that open. Slit that open. Slit that open. Slit that open. Open it up. Oh, buddy. This is a bronze pocket watch. It's very light. And, ooh, that looks nice. Be adding that to my collection. Ooh. Look at this, yeah.
Oh my lord, man! Let me see it. Could I hold that?
Yeah.
Dude.
We'll be right back.
That is.
Now, this is my whole entire watch collection. We have this one that I just got. Right here. Okay. That's a pocket watch. Right. Then we got the Lamborghini watch that I got a few months ago. Right. Let's put that on. I actually haven't worn this ever since I got it. I'm going to show you guys the one that I mostly wear. You can see that the thing moves around in there. That's pretty cool. Right. Okay. What? What do you want? We'll be right back. Alright, sorry for that interruption. Then we got this pocket watch that I normally wear when I wear my tux, but now I'm going to be wearing that one. And this one is actually Glenn's / Herschel's pocket watch from the TV show Walking Dead. Like, you know me. I was actually trying to get this off, but it's whatever. Right. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Then we have this pocket watch. I have so many pocket watches. Then we have this pocket watch that my grandpa gave me that sadly he passed away a couple months ago. Okay. And then this is the one that I mostly wear, which is, of course, from the TV show Walking Dead, is the Olive Watch 2.0. The only reason why I call it 2.0 is because I had to buy another one because the other one got stolen or broke, or I don't know. But the real watch is a Kenneth Cole, and that's like $1,600, and I don't have that type of money, so I got this one off of Amazon for $40. So this is the one, hold on. This is what I've been keeping them in. And that's all of them right there. So we got Rick Grimes's, then we got a Lamborghini, then we got the Peaky Blinders, and then we got Glenn's pocket watch, and then we got my grandfather's. Now, next up is the jacket. And this actually might be a little too big for me, but did I even cut it? No, I didn't. Yeah, this is gonna be way too big on me, but yeah, let's see it. I have to unbutton these again. I like snaps better than buttons, but oh, actually, maybe not. Hold on. Wait a second. Woo! This actually might fit me. Hold on. Let me put you guys lower so you guys can see. Yo. Woo! It's gonna be clean. Yo. So this is gonna be my duster now. This is my brother's duster right here. Just throw that over there. And this thing is way too big on me. You guys are probably gonna laugh when I put this on, but yeah. Yep, my arm can't even go through. Yep. You guys can't even see the end. You go into the bed. Yeah, it's way too big on me. So this is my brother's duster. He's freaking 6'1" in high school, so no wonder this thing is too big on me. But like, you know, just throw that behind there. Nobody cares about that one. But like, you know, yeah. Ugh. Let's put on mine now. This is nice. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Alright, everybody, well, that's the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. That'll probably be tomorrow, considering that I have a Peaky Blinders tux or suit vest coming in. See you guys.